Okay, today I'm making these beautiful muffin tin scrambled eggs, and it's a 2-hour reading. I'm at 106. So I'd like to get back to 100 2 hours after, but I will try that again the next time. Very easy recipe. Scrambled egg muffins, 12 servings, 2 to 3 carbs because I added the bacon. You make the muffins first and then you let them cool down. You fry up some bacon, crispy, and then wrap it around the muffin, secure with toothpicks. What I do is I put them in a freezer bag or one of those reclosable sandwich bags and put them in the freezer, and then just grab one in the morning and microwave it, and then you're ready to go. So here's the ingredients: half a pound of Jimmy Dean's sausage roll and 12 eggs, chopped onion, half a cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped green pepper, salt and pepper, and then half a cup of shredded cheddar. You have to grate that yourself from a block of cheese, because I noticed that a lot of the prepackaged shredded cheddar and other cheeses like mozzarella have cornstarch or potato flour on them, and that of course has lots of carbs. I'll just show you on my fridge. I also like to use pepper jack. That's the reduced fat. My husband uses that, but because of the keto, I stick to the full fat cheese. But I just wanted to show you a block of cheese, and grab your grater and out of the cupboard and shred it with that. So these are very handy, very good, and I can't wait to eat them all up. Next time I'm going to be making Swedish breakfast rolls. So I enjoy those rolls too, either with dinner, or you can just put some sugar-free jelly on them. I'll be putting the link for this recipe on the blog, and it will be in the comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, subscribe to our group, and keto is great for losing weight, but it's also great for keeping your numbers lower. I'm without meds, so I have to stay under 120. Couldn't handle the metformin. So here's the group. If you have problems with lowering your blood sugar, or what you're supposed to be eating to get it lower, this is our Facebook group. It has recently jumped from 25,000 to almost 28,000 members. So there's a lot of people out there being diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. And again, these turned out so cute. I'm so proud of them. Alrighty, I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye for now.